I introduced BabyArk to Bambi Baby. I'm Emilio from Bambi Baby, and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. BabyArk is the car seat with the lowest head injury risk of any seat, and they prove it in the data. Crash tests are standard. They exceed that standard by over 75%. The seat itself has 3 attachment points. You have a load leg, you have rigid anchors, and a rebound bar that is very unique in the convertible car seat space. The seat is multi-position recline and has excellent features that is too much to cover in one video. We will take you through the journey, showing you all the technology built within the seat, using their app and using their alert system. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a lot more. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.